Hey everyone, Carlos here with Bear Boost Traders, and we are halfway through our simulation week of the Bear Boost Traders Trading Challenge. So hopefully you are getting familiar with the system, getting used to the platform, Dash Trader Pro, which is what we're using, figuring out whether you want to use hotkeys on your keyboard or figuring out where you're going to be using the hot buttons on the montage. So hopefully you're getting familiar with all those processes that we have in the Dash Trader platform that has available to you. So before we get into our live challenge, which will start on March 25th, next Monday, let's go over a few tips and tricks this week just to make sure you're up to par and you can give yourself an edge over the other traders. First thing we want to talk about is in this video is stick to your stop losses. A lot of traders, even in real life trading, they don't stick to their stop losses and they allow small losses to become bigger than what they need to be. Same thing in this challenge. You want to be able to cut your losses very short, stick to them and execute them immediately. Several reasons why you want to do that. If you're stuck in a trade and you don't cut your losses expecting for the price action to get back to your break-even point or even become a green trade after it's a red trade, most of the times, yes, you will get lucky and that would happen, but most of the time it does not. You get stuck in a downtrend trade that continues to make your loss bigger and bigger with the hopes of pulling back up and giving you hope that, oh, okay, now it's going to reverse. It just does a quick pullback and then right back down. The other important thing while you are in this trade that you don't want to cut the losses short is that you're losing out on other opportunities that could be possibly in play happening at that same time because you're trading on this one trade that you're stuck in on the downside, whether you're going short or long, you're stuck on the red side and you don't want to accept the trade. Again, very realistic scenario that happens to a lot of new and inexperienced traders when they get into day trading. They don't accept that loss right away and then move on to the next opportunity. You can also still watch that stock, and if your strategy is still in play, you can go back into it. There's no need to stay in a trade that's not working out. So execute your stop loss immediately and find the other possible opportunity that you might have on your other watch list. Second thing also is, you don't want to waste time, right? Time is key. So while you're doing that, there's other traders that are possibly taking better trades and and not holding on to losers. So cut them short, cut them quick, cut them very small, and then move on to the next possible opportunity. Thanks for watching, guys, and good luck to all of you.